Welcome back once again to a sandwich Saturday. We're going to do a tuna melt today. Let's just take a look. So we're going to make two sandwiches, so we're going to need 4 slices of bread and then 4 slices of cheese. And here we go, a tin of tuna or a can of tuna, some chopped onion, a little bit of tomato, some mayonnaise and some hot sauce. A little bit of black pepper is going to go in this as well. It's really simple. Let's mix all those together first. So super easy, got my tuna in there. Just going to break that down a little bit first. This was in some water. You can get ones with oil. Just drain it off out the can. That's looking alright, isn't it? Bit of black pepper. Generous amount for me. We're going to go in with that chopped onion. I'm using a red. Little bit of tomato chopped. That hot sauce. Now this hot sauce is actually really quite hot. Choose one you like. It's got a sriracha or something, it's a little bit more mild. A little bit of mayo in there. You don't want too much mayo. And then we're going to give that a mix. And I'll be back in a moment. So there you go, that's it, just mixed together. Like I say, not too much mayonnaise I find works. Think about adding some pickles in there, some chopped pickle or some olives or something else that you want to put in. But that's done. Let's get our bread ready, load it up. Okay, so as always, if you're a regular to a sandwich Saturday, 4 slices of bread. I'm using white bread. I kind of tend to use white bread a lot, but change that up and be a bit more healthy if you like. Buttered, lightly buttered, but these are the outside, so let's flip them. The butter goes on the outside to give it a lovely golden colour. 1 piece of cheese. 1 piece of cheese. And then let's get some of our fantastic tuna mix on there. If you wanted, you could add some more mayo. I just don't like it. I don't find it necessary. I think this is a good amount. Look at that, amazing. We can get a little bit more on there, I think. And a little bit more on this fella. Okay. Wonderful. I didn't add any salt, don't really see any need for that. But what I do like to do is top it off with another piece of cheese. So we sandwich them in there. Okay, so butter side up, butter side up. My grill's right next to me and it's very hot. Let's stick them in. Okay, so I've got a kind of press sandwich maker. You might have a different one. But I've got it on maximum heat. We drop that on there. We drop the other one on there. And then we're going to close this and it's going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes, but depending on the type of sandwich maker you've got. See you then. Okay, let's jump in and take a look. Oh yeah. Look at all that cheese melting out, beautiful. Absolutely wonderful. Oozing goodness. Okay, let's get these on the board. We can chop them up. Wow, now these do look absolutely fabulous, these ones. Piping hot. Let's get a knife through there. Look at that goodness. Wonderful. Let me chop that other one as well. Magnificent. So easy. So satisfying. So beautiful. Hope you enjoy that, because I'm gonna. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. See you later.